I'm Dr. Olivia from Pet Circle, and today I will be answering the age-old question, why does my dog eat poo? Let's face it, dogs can be less than charming at times, and when it comes to eating poo, yes, it's gross, but surprisingly, it's more common than you think. If you've ever witnessed your dog in the act of eating poo, you're not alone. So let's explore why some dogs do this and what you can do about it. The technical term for eating feces or poo is coprophagia. Copro meaning feces, and phagia meaning eating. Dogs may eat their own poo, other dogs' poo, or even poo from other species. It can stem from various causes, including behavioural, physiological, nutritional, or medical reasons. These are the most common reasons that dogs eat poo. First one is evolutionary instinct. Whilst the domestic dogs of this day and age have changed a lot from their wolf ancestors, eating poo may actually be a retained behaviour that initially evolved from ancient wolves. Wolves are known to eat poo in their den, and scientists believe that this may be a method of preventing spread of parasites and keeping their living quarters clean. There's also physiological reasons. Newborn puppies aren't able to clean up after themselves when they go to the toilet, so the mother will consume the poo from the pups to keep them clean and healthy. Young puppies may observe their mother doing this and copy the behaviour. It's also likely a method for puppies to acquire good gut bacteria that they need to establish a healthy microbiome. It can be due to nutritional deficiencies. If your dog's diet is missing the key nutrients, they may look for them in other sources, like soil and even poo, to obtain the nutrients they are lacking. Behavioural reasons like boredom are another common cause. Dogs explore the world with their mouths, and a bored or curious dog might try eating poo just to see what it's about, especially puppies and young dogs. Anxiety, stress, and even attention-seeking behaviour can all be associated with eating poo as well. Conditions that cause malabsorption like pancreatitis, gastrointestinal disease, diabetes, or parasites can make dogs more likely to eat poo. If other causes have been ruled out and there are other signs that your dog is unwell, then it's time to see your vet. So, is it possible to stop your dog's unpleasant habit, and if so, how? Apart from being a bit gross to us, eating poo does pose some health risks to your dog, like contraction of parasites, bacteria, and viruses that can be transmitted via the poo. So these are some steps to follow to try and reduce this behaviour. Look at nutrition and ensure your dog is on a high quality, balanced diet. Some of the top brands of dog food that I recommend are Royal Canin, Hills, and Ziwi Peak. Follow the feeding guidelines on the packet to make sure your dog is being fed the right amount to meet their energy requirements based on their weight. Keep your dog up to date with parasite control with an all-wormer to protect against intestinal worms. Milbemax or Drontal are good examples of all-wormer products. You can also try the supervise and distract method. If you know your dog has a tendency to eat poo when you're out and about, keep an eye on your dog during walks and offer a toy or a treat to redirect their attention. For persistent poo eaters, a basket muzzle can be useful, and most dogs can be trained to happily wear one. Address boredom and any behavioural issues like anxiety. Ensuring your dog gets plenty of daily exercise as well as lots of activities to keep their mind busy, like puzzle feeders and snuffle mats, will help to cure the boredom blues. For dogs with anxiety, it's worthwhile addressing this with your veterinarian. There are many interventions for anxiety in dogs, including training, medications, and anxiety aids like Adaptil. Keep on top of cleaning up. Do a backyard sweep daily and remove poo from your yard or garden as soon as possible. And of course, it's important to rule out any underlying medical causes, so consider a checkup with your vet, especially if your dog has any other signs of illness like weight loss or vomiting. If you've ruled out medical, dietary, and behavioural causes, remember that eating poo is sometimes just normal for dogs. Whilst it's a little unpleasant for us, a little now and then usually isn't harmful. I hope you found this video helpful, and to find out more, you can always check out our vet article online at our vet hub at petcircle.com.au.